Okay, and this is the window where we have, this is called the stencil. So here you can choose a different, that what kind of what kind of shapes you want. So as you selected that the first you selected that a template of a basic flow chart. So that's why those shapes were only visible, that you just basic shapes. Okay. Similarly, you can search from here as well. If you have, if you remember, we have learned that the other thing that was diagram, multifunctional diagram. Okay. So for that
Mhm.
one, we can choose from here as well. So if you you remember, in that version we have those options, but you can also browse down and add shapes from here. Then you start building your canvas. Similarly, if you go back, you have those templates, ready-made templates that you can choose from. This was a template of, and you choose the blank one, but you can choose a shape that is already built, and you can use that one to build your shape. Okay, so this is the
Got
basic.
it.
This is the canvas, and this is what where you have the stencils, and you pick your shapes from here. Okay,
Mm.
and then there was in the view and design, in the design tab, and in the view tab, your different options that you can choose templates, like you can choose scheme, color schemes as well. Okay,
Got it.
now start building a basic one.
Okay, so let's just say I'm gonna build out let me think of something we can build.
A process, simple process with different steps. So we have the start and the end. As
Okay.
you remember, start with an oval shape. Start and end, though both are we add oval shapes.
What is this add
No,
button
these are
asking me
not.
to?
No. These you are adding those all things. Don't add these. Just select from here. These are the basic shapes you already have. Okay, as you see. Okay. Now here you pick a start. Okay, now here you can also this, you can start this one. As you remember, we have that
You have to
example
leave
I
at
gave you.
you
We
you have to leave in 30 minutes, you said, right?
yes, on one I will be. I have another meeting with another client.
Okay. Let's do
Okay,
trying
just
to think
make
of
that
what.
process that you remember. That was a new joining from. We have a new joining from HR process we made. Or you, if you have in your mind, you can do that one as well. Just start a process. What is the first step?
Hold on. I'm thinking. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna outline the STLC at my company. How do I make this stuff bigger? Why is it so small like that?
Just get it from here. If you see, it is very zoom it out. Don't change it.
No, no,
This
I
is
don't want to necessarily
10%.
zoom.
Read it. No, don't make this much bigger. Okay, it is 100%. Okay, great.
It's so
Get
tiny.
it from zoom in from here. It is at 22%. You can make it to 100%. Just click over here and write the 100% or select.
Got it. Okay.
Another option
Okay, so
is also there.
okay, after stakeholder interviews, then I'm going to do what do you call it? I'm going to create the business requirements document.
Okay. Just click on it as you have those four. This one, you have the four arrows that appears. Just click on it, and the next step you can choose a shape from here. The option. Don't get this line. Line will automatically come. Just click on this arrow. Then you have these four options. These are the shapes that you can. Now the next step, that's the process. That is the part you can choose a rectangular shape. Okay. Arrow will also appear when you in between them.
Okay.
As you see, these were the default of that one. You are just choosing a bigger font here. That was the problem. Just start from the beginning. Take this process, delete it.
Okay.
Okay, take the start. Just first raise this one to a bit higher. This is at 42%. Make it to 100%. Okay, now take a shape. Click on the start shape. Start. Take this shape
Start.
from stencil start end. Okay, just write it. Okay, now click and that go near it and just hover on it. You will see that option. Okay, this one. Take this. Name the second step in this process.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, do repeat this. Make another. What will be the next step? If there is a decision, you can choose that one. You can go
Mm,
BRD document. After the interview, you have the document. Then what will be the process says? BRD stands for.
business requirements document.
Okay, and then what will be the next step? This document is submitted to somewhere else or not?
Yeah, I'm thinking about the process in my head. Hold on. Then I would typically have an interview, a conversation with the technical team. So let's just call it IT interview.
So I have just checked from the ChatGPT that you can have the define objectives, conduct meeting, review agenda, discuss requirements, clarify, validate. Because, but I am just in that business requirement document is the end conducting all those interviews.
I'm sorry?
Business requirement document, that is BRD.
Mm-hmm.
You are defining a process that shows that how to collect the requirements.
I'm showing the process for software development lifecycle as I would imagine it might play out at my company. I've never gotten
Okay.
past the stage yet. I'm still at this stage. And I have this document already made. And I'm starting these conversations right now, actually. So then will come this phase where we will plan the project, the pilot website redesign. Then what will we do after that? Then we will
This is but by this we have two options, if yes or no. Here this is used for this diamond shape used for decision.
yeah,
So
but
we
the
have,
decision
if
doesn't have to
this
be
is,
yes or no. The decision can be anything. These things are not, these things don't have official definitions of things, I think. These things can just tools that you can use in any way that you want to, as long as you as long as you show a process. Does it necessarily have to be a yes or no question here?
but this is the convention that we use for this diamond, that where we are making some decision. As you see, uh, these are also written over there as well. To show the document, you can use this shape. To show the data, you have this shape,
So this is only
database, and
being
this.
used, this is only being used for a yes or no question. It has to be a yes or no
Yes,
question decision.
yes. Where do we will be going back or somewhere? If there is yes, we will be processing for this one. So decision there is, it should show a decision. I think
Got
for
it.
planning, it is not a good idea to put this shape here. Planning is a part of process that would be also a rectangular shape.
Okay.
So I think what would be the potential processes that are involved in a software development process, and these are I think the planning is good you have done, then it will come the design. So change this shape. If you remember, we have that option that we can change this shape as well from the above. And after planning, we
How do I decide when to go down versus up versus like, do I just keep going to the right or do I go down?
so it is upon you. You can use this as you see. There are multiple ways. If you are going this one, then you can do this as like this one. this is a kind of simple process that comes from one in start and end there. And why you use this kind of schema? You use this because you just want to show a whole process in this kind of window. So this depends upon you. Similarly, if you want to make a project, if you are good to have like vertical, you can use this as well, this kind of thing. Okay, it's totally depend on you that how you are using this process. Okay.
Got it. Can I edit one of the boxes and make change into different type of box in between after I've already
Yes,
made it? How?
this
I
is
want
here.
to.
I think yes, it was in that. If you just click on the shape, maybe it is option is here, or on right click, maybe you have, because in the, the other version we have those options are visible here. It must be there. Okay, change shape. Here it is.
Document means what?
Okay, just
BRD, any kind of document? Or what does document mean here?
so this is just used for a document that it shows that here we are talking about this document. So after the interview we have this document. So if you this is a document, then you have used the right what you see, you have used the right shape for that one.
Okay. Ugh.
What is MVP?
Minimum viable product.
Okay. So what will be the next step if you remember that you are going to the
The no, it will be actually.
I'm just searching from net and sending you one or two. If you see that,
I understand. These are being used to show wherever there's similarities in processes. Like if I'm creating another MVP at some point or something similar to an MVP, I might use the same box again to show that this step in the process and that step in the process are similar or same. And that's how these custom
okay.
boxes probably are being used. This one can be mm, Okay, maybe this is my flow right here. I talk to a stakeholder to figure out what they want. I write it all down. I go to the IT solutions architect and talk about the potential solution. Then together we plan and make an idea for what we want to build. Then we build a mock-up and a wireframes. Then we create the MVP from that. Then we do QA testing to make sure it's working. Then we deploy the solution, and then we keep improving and maintaining it. Hello?
Okay. Yes, yes. I was
Okay.
just checking from the net different. Okay. So this is a simple process that you have, and you have used this. You can use the design as well if you go to that one and change this one, or you can you can modify it as per your requirement. If you have other options, that how if you have go to this design, there are the themes colors or themes. Just explore this one. Go to the themes first. Theme alongside the themes color on the left side, you have themes. Just like this one.
Open code. What themes? I mean, these are the themes. Did you pick one?
Yes, you pick one, then this will change accordingly. If you want to have another theme that looks nicer, you just how to just check that what are the default themes or templates that you used to make it this appealing. Okay, you can choose themes from here as well.
What if I want to put colors inside of the boxes?
So just select that box and you have the if you see this these are the themes that you can choose from. In that desktop option, desktop you have many themes option. Here you have limited options. Okay. So if you
Got
want
it.
to change the color of some box, you can choose that one and right click
Okay.
on it. And in the home and you will have those options to just change as per your requirement. Similarly, if you see this is the second option, we just for multifunctional diagram, streamline diagram. You can add streamlines here.
Okay. Okay, let's just say I want to write some stuff on here, like to explain these things or something, or write a title. How do I do all that?
You can add text boxes over there, over at the top. Similarly, if you can also these what you can say these arrows, you can tag these arrows as well. If this
Hmm.
transition is you want to say anything, you just click on it and you have the option.
Okay. What else?
Okay, this is the part.
You want to try to, this is complete basically, right? This is as for an average diagram. Let's just say I want to add another text box and just write something here.
Here you don't have that option as well, that in that you have option of presentation view. Maybe this one, just check it how it appears, or you can go to the file and print, see how this appears on a page, just to see it.
What is that button? What does it do?
Check it while it is
I just
here.
clicked it and it just made it small. That's all it did.
Okay, this is just for, I think this is a to zoom in out and
It just takes you back to like fully zoomed out view. Okay.
okay, Rafi, I have message from my client. He's online. Let's
Okay.
do make the swimline diagram in the next session tonight. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good, man. As soon as you come online, just message me tonight.
Okay, I will message you.
As early as you can come online, just message me and then I'll figure out the time with you. But do you have to leave at 11 p.m. again or can you stay later?
No, 11 p.m. because it will be Monday here. You have Sunday, but
Okay.
I will be in the Monday and I have to go for office. Meeting 9 to 11.
Okay. Sounds good. Just message me as soon as you come online, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Bye.